Suppose I have a list ARR and there are 10 elements inside this list. See, the elements are in increasing order, that is from 0 to 9 in this list. Now you suppose you want to shuffle this list, that is the elements of this list should change their order. So in order to shuffle the elements, we will first import the random module, import random. Now we will use the shuffle function of this module to shuffle the elements of this list. Random.shuffle arr. Okay, so as you can see now that the elements of this list are shuffled. So to shuffle the elements of a list, we can use random.shuffle function. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment anything on this video, like what kind of tutorial do you want next, or some kind of questions, or etc, etc, and like the video.